Number 14. Vive XR Elite. Are you a fan of virtual reality? Then you'll love this VR headset. Experience virtual reality like never before with the award-winning VR headset from CES 2023. Lightweight and customizable, this headset offers diopter adjustment and adjustable interpupillary distance for a comfortable fit. With a Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 processor, 12 GB of RAM, and 3840 by 1920 resolution, you'll be able to play games, watch movies, and work with graphics like never before. The headset also comes with 2 controllers. Get ready for a top-notch VR experience, but be prepared to pay the $1,100 price tag. Get ready to be transported to new worlds and experience virtual reality like never before. Number 13. Rolling Square Tau. Introducing the world's smallest power bank, designed in Switzerland and perfect for those always on the go. This compact device, no bigger than a key fob, weighs just 1.4 ounces and packs a punch with 1400 mAh of power. It's equipped with USB-C, lighting, and micro USB cables, and a patented docking station for easy charging. With this power bank, you won't have to worry about running out of juice for your devices. It can even charge an iPhone 13 Pro to 50%. Its portability and affordability, at just $29, make it a great alternative to your regular charger. Don't let its size fool you. This little keychain pack is a must-have power source. Number 12. Raba. Get ready for the next generation of cycling helmets. The origami helmet from South Korea is compact, transforms in 10 seconds, and is made of lightweight materials like polystyrene foam and thermoplastic. This helmet is stylish and comfortable, adapting to the shape of your head and weighing only 15 ounces. The origami helmet has received a local safety certificate and won design competition prizes. Stay tuned for more information on availability and pricing, but in the meantime, get ready to make a bold statement on the road with this innovative and cutting-edge helmet. Number 11. Creation Matrix Multitool. Introducing a pocket-sized wonder, the Multitool that packs a punch. This 90-in-1 device is a combination of a knife, screwdriver, whistle, belt cutter, and tritium tube slot. Made from durable Japanese VG10 steel and medical-grade titanium alloy, it's a tool that can handle tough tasks. And despite its small size, weighing only 1.4 ounces and measuring 2.3 inches when folded, it's not just functional but fashionable too. Perfect for those who value versatility and style, this multi-tool is a must-have for any adventurer or urban dweller. Number 10. IcyFlow. Say goodbye to sweltering summer nights with the all-in-one universal air conditioner. With a cooling capacity of 2,470 cubic feet per hour and the ability to be used both indoors and outdoors, this AC is a must-have for any home. At just 22 pounds, it's easily transportable, and with a 6-hour battery life, you won't have to worry about running out of power. But that's not all. This AC doubles as a power bank, Bluetooth speaker, mosquito repellent, and flashlight, all for just $200. Get ready to beat the heat and enjoy all the added benefits this amazing product has to offer. Number 9. ChopChucks. Chopsticks that can transform into nunchucks. Eat, play, love, and fight. That's the motto of this unique product, which combines 2 ancient tools in one. Measuring 4.3 inches when folded and 7.7 inches when opened, these chopsticks are made from durable titanium and are not only comfortable to eat with, but also help level up your QI energy. And with 3.8 million trees being cut down annually to make wooden chopsticks, this product is also an eco-friendly choice. With a pair available for just $40, upgrade your chopstick game and add a new dimension of fun to your meals. Number 8. GoPro AER. Introducing a unique and fun way to capture your next adventure. Say goodbye to drones and hello to these giant dart-shaped containers. Simply insert your GoPro Hero camera into the head, throw it, and watch as you capture amazing footage from up to 98 feet away. The soft foam material ensures that your camera stays protected, and the compatibility with Hero cameras from version 3 Plus to 11 makes it versatile for all types of users. And for those who prefer using their smartphones, a smartphone model is also available. Get creative and add some excitement to your next adventure with this innovative product for only $75. Number 7. Freewrite Traveler. Bring back the art of writing with a touch of modernity with this innovative digital typewriter. Forget about the clunky antique machines. This sleek device features a full-size mechanical keyboard and a cutting-edge e-ink display. With over 30 supported languages and cloud integration with platforms like Google Drive, you can write, save, and share your works from anywhere. The internal memory can store up to 1 million pages, and its lightweight design, weighing just 1.6 pounds, makes it convenient to take with you. Say goodbye to distractions with no social media, emails, or browsers, and focus solely on your creative inspiration with this typewriter. Number 6. Elgato Stream Deck. If you're looking to stream and monetize your content on platforms like Twitch and YouTube, having the right equipment is key. And that's where this innovative controller comes in. With its 15 mini displays, you can adjust audio, send messages, switch windows, and perform other tasks with ease. Each key can be set up individually or in combination, making multitasking a breeze. Weighing just 7 ounces, this controller is easy to carry, and its special stand provides a comfortable viewing angle. With the ability to boost your streaming game, it's no wonder why this controller is priced at $126. Get ready to take your content to the next level. Number 5. Tooking Silver. Get ready to tackle any task with ease. Introducing the ultimate multi-tool designed to be a reliable companion on all your adventures. Whether you're out camping, fishing, or simply need a quick fix at home, this tool has got you covered. With features like fire starting capabilities, an emergency whistle, a compass to ensure you don't get lost, and even a laser rangefinder, it's got everything you need to solve any problem. Measuring 4.8 by 2.5 inches, it fits comfortably in your pocket and weighs just 8 ounces. And the best part? It's priced at just $179, so you won't break the bank to get your hands on this must-have tool. Number 4. The Quickdraw. Say goodbye to messy, tangled cables and hello to a clean and organized workspace. The solution to your cable management problems is here. This innovative system keeps your cables neatly tucked away and under your desk. No more cluttered cables ruining your sense of balance and harmony. It's easy to use. Simply mount the clips with the included adhesive and you're good to go. The best part? With a little practice, you'll be able to effortlessly pull out the cables you need without even looking. Get this affordable kit of 2 small clips, a large base, and a cleaning wipe for just $13. Upgrade your workspace today. Number 3. Flikr Fire. Experience the beauty of simplicity with this portable fireplace. Inspired by the Japanese concept of wabi-sabi, it brings a touch of elegance to any setting. This compact design is fueled by isopropyl alcohol, and a 5-ounce tank lasts for 50 minutes of warmth. Cook your favorite meals or just relax by the fire, both indoors and outdoors. Crafted from durable cement, this fireplace is built to last and adds a touch of charm to your living space. Get ready to enjoy the beauty of nature and make memories that last a lifetime for only $92. Comment below and tell us which coolest gadgets you liked the most. Number 2. YouPin Nextool. Do you love the outdoors but often find yourself struggling with all the necessary tools while camping? Say hello to the ultimate camping accessory. France, Germany, and the Netherlands lead the way in Europe's camping scene, accounting for 60% of all campsites in the EU. This compact and lightweight tool has 10 essential functions in one, including scissors, a knife, a cutter, a can opener, and even a SIM card tray pin. The durable ABS plastic and stainless steel design is compact, measuring only 3 by 0.8 inches when closed, and is available in 5 stylish colors. With a price of only $11, this multi-tool is the perfect addition to any camper's kit. Number 1. Roulette Dice. Say goodbye to cluttered tables and hello to the ultimate game accessory, Roulette Dice. This innovative device brings the excitement of rolling dice to a whole new level. Whether you're playing Dungeons & Dragons or your favorite board game, you'll no longer have to worry about juggling multiple dice at once. With its unique combination of D4, D6, D8, D10, D12, D20, and D% dice, you'll have everything you need in one compact and stylish package. And if you have a specific game in mind, you can even order a custom design to fit your needs. Made of durable zinc alloy, Roulette Dice comes with a convenient carrying case, making it the perfect addition to your gaming collection. So up the ante and add some fun to your next game night with Roulette Dice, priced at just $39. If you have any questions in your mind, please let us know in the comments section below.